Kraken or Kraken Pro. Same company, same login, but completely different trading experiences. If you're confused about which one to use, this 90-second breakdown will save you time and money. Let's hit subscribe and dive straight in. Here's the thing, Kraken and Kraken Pro aren't two separate platforms. They're both part of the same ecosystem. You use the same account, same security, same cryptocurrencies. The difference? The interface and who they're designed for. Fees. This is where it gets serious. Kraken charges a flat 1% fee on instant buys and sells. Simple, predictable, but expensive if you trade regularly. Kraken Pro, it uses a maker-taker model starting at 0.16% maker and 0.26% taker. That's less than a quarter of what you'd pay on regular Kraken. And the more you trade, the lower those fees drop. For active traders, this is massive savings over time. Interface and tools. Kraken keeps it dead simple. Buy, sell, convert, done. Perfect for beginners. Kraken Pro gives you trading view charts, real-time order books, depth analysis, advanced order types like stop loss and take profit, and full API access. It looks overwhelming at first, but once you get it, you have complete control. Who should use what? If you're making 1 or 2 purchases a month, stick with Kraken. The convenience is worth the extra cost. But if you're trading weekly or using any strategy beyond basic buying, Kraken Pro will save you serious money and give you the tools to trade smarter. Bottom line, Kraken for simplicity and casual investing, Kraken Pro for lower fees and serious trading. And since you can switch between both instantly with the same account, there's no reason not to try Pro once you're comfortable. That's it. Like this video if it helped, subscribe for more crypto comparisons, and I'll see you in the next one.